Hey everybody, it's Lauren watching South Park, so that's the noise. Okay, so yeah, I am seeing my friends, my one of the friends with my friend, and then either Monday or Friday I'm going to play again and start rubbing your face like, oh yeah. Mm, my toe itches. Yeah, I'm hungry. I'm gonna get something to eat later, but I haven't eaten since 5, and it's 12:17 in the morning. Yeah. So, man, bear, pig. He's so serial right now. And, yeah. Well, I kind of want to get a lot of views on this just because, like, I don't know, I don't have much views on all of my thingies, so. Alright, well, I'm taking up enough of your life. So, bye. Mwah.